Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1967 Cadillac Deville convertible that's in really, really nice condition. It's a triple white car. Look at this chrome on the car, the grille. Everything's in really good condition. Look how they took care of this car. Look at this beautiful engine compartments. I mean, it is gorgeous. Oh, that a big trunk. Let me do a quick walk around, guys. The body on the car is very straight. The paint is really, really nice. And if there are any imperfections, I'm going to point them out to you guys during the course of this video. It's a little touch up there, okay? But the body looks real straight. Whew. Chrome, like I said, is beautiful. Trunk is excellent. You can see that in my photos. The white convertible top is in great condition as well. There's a little nick there on the chrome. Side skirts. Wow, is that body beautiful. The glass is nice and crisp on the car as well. That is a beauty. Let's check out the interior. Beautiful white interior. You got power seats there, power windows, power locks, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. You got tilt wheel. No horn. But there is a horn. It does work. The top works. There's your button there. All the windows work. Glass goes up and down. As you can see there, the lights do function. Okay. Left turn signal. I don't see it working, but on the outside they do work. Back in front, as you can see. And that little right there, you can see it flashing. Odometer is 15708. I'm not sure if that's original or not, but look at this interior, how clean it is. I mean, it's got a hidden stereo system, guys, a big one. Let's see, lights, like I said, work. Wipers do work. Okay. Let's see here. I'm not seeing anything functioning for the heat and air conditioning. Big ol' ashtray. So that would have to get looked into. Okay. And like I said, the radio's got a big custom system. That thing sounds nice. Guys, gals, if you're looking for financing, you will need 10% down of the purchase price of the vehicle. If your credit score is between 650 and 790 or 799, you will need 10% down. Okay. The payments per month will be tailored around your income and your debt. Make that payment nice and comfy. For those of you who have a higher credit score of like 800 and above, you can possibly apply for a no money down loan. Rates do start at about 6.94%. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you're looking for delivery right to your driveway, we're licensed, insured, and bonded all the way there and insured. You can text me your zip code. My text number is 847-848-1850. Keep in mind, guys, I will take a look at the heat and the air on this car and let you know what we come up with, okay? Have a great day. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.